We're going to change some washing machine supply valves today. Okay.
Those coming down.
Hi. Hey. What's up, garage?
Oh, okay, yeah, what needs to be done to do these? We do these all the time, man, for these freaking
Thank God.
yeah. Alright. Just wanted to double check so we what we gotta do, we gotta cut the drywall down here, over here, up, cut the pipes, take these off, two valves.
Yep.
Two, if we're gonna do it, we're gonna do both of them.
Yep.
And then make the connection, put it back, and I could be able to put this drywall back up and caulk it in there real pretty like for you. Because if you do that, you're gonna have to flood. Okay. This 5/8 drywall, that's why. Oh, good. Here's the.
Flooding my garage, Jim.
No.
Trust me. Anywhere near what it was like when the washer was flooding.
Oh, was it bad?
Oh God, it was awful.
Oh shit.
It was awful. That's why I had to replace it. It was
Oh
gone.
shit.
It was gone. My son's getting ready to leave to go for work, and we've got him blocked in. Just
Yeah. Grass in the middle, huh?
We're going to change some washing machine supply valves today. Okay.
Oh yeah. There's no.
Let's go.
Yeah, like
Take exit 76 onto Martin L. King
that's the
Boulevard.
first time I found the website on YouTube.